Hello guys, today as you see in the title of the video, I'll be trolling some people. I'm gonna be trolling people. I'm gonna be the dumb one, and they're gonna be the smart one. I will troll them. I think they're gonna be the YouTuber. That's why I'm gonna troll them. I'm gonna say, oh my god. I'm gonna Tessa Brooks. Oh my god, Tessa. Ugh. Tessa Brooks. Tessa Brooks. I'm gonna say, oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. You scammer. Clickbaiter. You clickbaiter. You faker. You faker. 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 Shut it. Princess. Shut it, princess. Shut it, princess. You sassy. You gotta say something to her. You say it. Okay, yeah. Take me with you. Oh my god. OMG. Oh my god. OMG. Jake Paul. Jake Pauler, dude. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, aperture. OMG. Oh my god. Oh my god. Miss Sassy. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. What? What? Wait, what? Mark. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I need to film in another server. Got to go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yeah, hell no, that's not helping out. Oh shoot, it's blind. I'm blind. Yeah, I really need glasses right now. Oh, that's a... Yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care what server I go. I just need to troll somebody. Yeah, I'm gonna troll. I'm saying he's Jake Paul. I'm gonna copy Jake Paul. Spam Jake Paul. Or I'm gonna spam Yo Tango. Yes, I will spam Yo Tango. Yes. Oh, come on. Sure. Oh my god, it's that animal. What are you? I'm gonna tell her that. What are you? What are you? Monster. You're a monster. That face, though. Look at that face. You're a monster. Yeah, I'm gonna spam, this crap. Oh my god, Jake Paul. Okay. No, I'm going to say that. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jake Paul. Oh my god, Jake Paul. Oh my god, Jake Paul. Oh my god, Jake Paul. Child friendly. Oh god, my god, Jake Paul. Oh my god, Jake Paul. Oh my god. Oh my god, Jake. Ugh. What are you? I hate my life. Well, now I'm gonna spam Jake Paul now. Jake Paul. No, I'm gonna spam Yo Tango. Yo Tango. Copy that crap. Put Control V. Tango. Tango. Yo tengo. That's nice. That nice, kid. Yeah, now. Woo, I got the... Yeah, I'm gonna accept it. I want more friends. If you want to accept me, here's the cam, my cutie. And now I'm gonna spam Yo tengo. Okay, I'm gonna spam this crap. Yeah. Here the Albert stuff. Leave that if you. Shoot, it disconnect, I think. I think it can disconnect. I think. Yeah. Let's do this scam. Yo tengo. This dude is a noob. I'm gonna call him. You have Robux. You have Robux? You have Robux? Respond. research. Well, I'm gonna spam your tango again. Yeah. I'm gonna spam this. Oh, tango. It doesn't say it anymore.
Mama?
Dude, but
Mira.
spam
Mama?
better describe.
Mira, Mama. Mama?
I'm spamming it all. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get banned. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do this in my other account.
You're a little bit older.
Yeah, she's fooling around with me. You think. And it's just... I'm gonna say her, she's on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. I don't care if somebody notices me. I don't care. It's huge. Yeah, YouTube. I started recording. Okay. Say yo tengo. And to say yo tengo. I'm gonna say. Spam this girl. Yo tengo. Spam it. Got a Hall of Fame. I love to spam it. I love to spam.
A little bit otra vez.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun being like Albert. Damn on the hater. I'm gonna stomp on you. Yeah, I'm gonna stomp. Yeah, stomp. Gonna stomp on you. Gotta topple you. Sorry. No. Gonna tell him to die. Die! I love my life. Don't mind me. Oh my god. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. My big brother's name, yeah. I don't get money. Don't mind me. I love these cool dudes, I love doing this. I like to stomp on people. Later I'm gonna do another video.
Mama?
Which I have sung. Time to dance on him. I just said 3 songs on 3. You poor. You poor. You poor. You poor. I'm gonna. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Yeah, Mr. Noob.